RBS Basic Research Academy welcomes to you in the lecture number 2 on a brand new software Jamovi, which is free of the cost. And for this purpose, you are not required to pay anything except the internet charges. My name is Dr. Sumro, and I'm from Shakti University. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you with the interface and the options which are available in the Jamovi software. So first of all, we are looking here is a beautiful and very simple interface of the Jamovi. In this one, you are looking that there are the two parts of this interface. This one is for the your variables, for the appearance of your variable, and here you will find the results of your data analysis. Whatever the operations we are performing on the variable, the result you will look here. So now that's a good thing. So now the same type of the thing is not available in the SPSS. Whenever you are working on the SPSS, now there's a two windows. In one windows, variables are there, and for having the results, you are required to open another window. But here, both are in the one window. That's a wonderful thing for this software. And then a few things which first of all, I want to show you this one. So now here, Jamovi, now here. So now if you want to get entirely a new file of the Jamovi, then you can click it like we do in the control in order to open another. For example, if you are working on the Word or Excel, any other software, normally we select the control in to have another. The same option is available here. Here, open. So now if you want to attach the data with this one, you can also do this one. For this purpose, this PC, that means the data which is available in your own PC. Otherwise, data library is also there. So now the data library these are the four like the data file which you will get by default with the help of whenever you will install the Jamovi. So these are four data files are which you can. So now this is the big five personality dimensions. So now others are there. And then import. If you want to import anyone inside the Jamovi, you can also import, save and save as you know, and export. If you want to export anything out of the Jamovi, you can also do this one. The survey.sav, that is a SPSS file which is connected to this one. So as I already in the lecture number 1, if you remember, I told you that the most of the formats are acceptable for the Jamovi. So now Jamovi is also accepting the SPSS file. So if there was any other file like the Excel, now Jamovi will also welcome all that one. So now there's another good thing of the Jamovi. So now I'm going to add one more like this. Okay, just click it. Okay, when we attach the data file with this software, now you're looking various your variables are there. So all are these variables like the ID, sex, age, and gender. All these are the connected with this one. So now from here, you can have a look on all your variables, whatever variables which are in your data set. And from here, you can have a look on all the respondents which are there. So now in this data file, almost there are the 439 respondents are there. So now the row count 439, 0 filters, 0 deleted, 0 edit, and all these are there. And then exploration. If we talk about the exploration, so exploration are there. In this, we can compute the descriptives, scatter plot, Pareto chart. So now it's very beautiful in creating the plots. Very beautiful. Now, for example, we want to check this one, and then this one. Okay. Now see, the scatter plot has been created. Or for example, if you want to work on the descriptives, then again you can also do. So now you're looking here, Marshall status, 499, and all these. So now on one hand, you're looking here, all the your variables have been appeared, and here your results of your data analysis. And then in the exploration, other things are there. Okay, these two charts you can do. In the t-test, independent sample test, you can perform paired sample t-test you can also perform, and one sample t-test you can also perform. Then ANOVA, one-way ANOVA, analysis of the variance, just ANOVA, repeated MESA ANOVA, ANCOVA, analysis of the covariance. So MANOVA, MANCOVA, And then, so now different, and these two are the tests which are belonging to the non-parametric group of the tests. In the statistical, there are some parameters are there. If any data set is following those parameters, then we call is a parametric data. Otherwise, that is called the non-parametric data. The one major assumption is about the normative data. If your data is non-normal, then we should apply the one-way ANOVA or repeated. Now, these non-parametric tests. So now the same type of tests are also available in the SPSS same object. Again, the SPSS is a paid, this is a completely a free one. And then if you talk about the regression, correlation matrix, partial correlation, linear regression, and the binomial or logistical regression, multinomial regression. So all type of the regressions are our normally which we use. Although in the species there is a long list of the regression family, but here everyone we cannot use. Here, whatever the regressions are there, now mostly we use those regression. If we are interested in taking the frequencies, then now their frequencies table is there. And then if you are interested to compute the reliability of the Cronpa alpha, then this option is available. Principal component analysis also available. EFA, explosive factor analysis. Normally we perform EFA into the species. So now the same is available here. And even the conformity analysis, which we normally perform in the strict equation modeling software like the AMOS, Smart PLS, now the same option is also available here. So that means probably you're not required to have any Smart PLS or any AMOS like this one, because the CFA you can also perform in the Jamovi. Now, if we talk about the results of the Jamovi, the results of the species, I have compared almost 99% the both software are producing the same results. So now from that point of view, there is no any problem with the Jamovi. And then we talk about the packages. So now if you want to take the extra work from the Jamovi, then the packages are available. As you know about the in case of the there are the 10,000 packages are there. Some of the packages are also available in this one. So that is a Jamovi library. These are the installed like the packages which are there. And these are the Jamovi analysis and then the scatter plot. These two normally we get by default whenever we are installing this software in our computer. Additionally, if you want to have more like the application packages, then click it and then go Jamovi library. So now when you reach here, you will find several packages are there which you can get free of the cost, which just you are required to install in your computer. For example, one I want to get. Okay, install JAM, static equation modeling in the Jamovi 7.0 version. So now that is based on the Lemon package. So Lemon latent variable package is there which we can perform in the R. So now again it is shown that okay. Fine. Now the module was installed successfully. Okay. So now we have got this one installed. So that's why the message has been changed. So now because Lemon package is an R package, because the Jamovi and R both are integrated with each other. So that's why you're looking the this software here. Now click it install. Now we have the 3. Earlier there was only 2, but now you can remove it, you can hide it. And this is a side load. Now if you have any your own package which you have developed by yourself, now you can upload this one also. Okay. And then here is an edit. Normally we edit our data. So all the options, necessary options are available here. You can change the color of the font, you can change the color of the table and do read, undo, do and undo, like, and copy paste. All the options, justifications are also there. You can also insert the formula over there. And data, you can also play with the data. You can transform the data, like if whenever you want to apply the regression, you are required to transform the data. No. Okay, so transform is there. Let me say you can convert the like your rows into the column and column into the, and also compute variable. You can also compute the variable. Now, normally whenever we are going to apply the regression, we have to compute the new variables. So now that there's a setup, and you can add like the any variable, data variable, computed variable, or transform variable, and then you can also add insert or append, you can extend this one. You can also delete, you can also filter on any basis. And then these are the variables which are available in your data set. So many variables are in the data set are there. Okay, so all these. So this is a description. Some of the variable have the description, and the most of the variable they do not have any description. And then if you want to edit, you can also edit. You can also have a filter over there. So now this all about this one. Okay, from this side you are also. So now you can zoom out or zoom in the whole screen, and number of formats are there, p value are there, decimal places are there, 1.325 whatever, and then plots are there. So now you can work on this one. And then so now if you want to remove another window, you can also do by through this help now. And you can also drag this one over here. You can also drag it. Now see how much that's computable, how much that's easy to drag here and there. So in this, if you drag here, then you have a more like you say a workspace. You can work in this one. You can have more data on this one. So now, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope Jamovi, this video has become much more beneficial for you, because in this one I have introduced the interface of Jamovi. If you like this video, please please subscribe my channel, like my videos, comment on my videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.